क्या बोला मैंने? He has started. First Anglo-Mysore War का क्या significance था? Yes, tell me fast. What is the significance of the first Anglo-Mysore War? I said that he, देखेंगे यहाँ के कैसे हो, he attacked on Maratha, and the Maratha say he started taking the tribute, and the Maratha said that how you can take the tribute from the Maratha region. Then what happened? Yes, what happened? Maratha attacked, and finally large area of Mysore has been confiscated, but in between Mysore and the Hyder Ali keep on asking for the help, keep on asking for the, याद हो चुका है, and this help has not been given concern by Britishers in the initial periods, but later on he has given the concern, and what he said that I'll be ready with some condition, and this condition is beyond imagination for the Mysore Empire and Hyder Ali. Understood? Or Hyder Ali realized that what is their real intention. अब ने इससे मराठास और निजाम के साथ इसने क्या बनाया? One alliance, and blueprint now he is prepared that you should not interfere when there will be war. And then second, he come to know about the Nanja Raja supported whom? Maratha to what? Defeat. And Nanja Raja has been killed, and then Chamra Raja has been made. उसके बाद इसने क्या किया? हैदर अली डायरेक्टली, एकदम पिक्चर से ध्यान से देखें, हैदर अली डायरेक्टली, 3 pictures I have shown, he swept whole eastern Ghat and then seized or captured, confiscated Arcot. Understood? And all the villages, most of the villages has been burned. And when in between Hyder Ali realized, and through his intelligentsia he come to know about that from the Guntur district William Bailey with an enforcement he was going to come. Understood? Then he sent his son whom? Tipu Sultan to intercept this force, and Tipu Sultan is finally able to what? This region confiscate at Pollilur, and then William Bailey was what? Defeated, and large number of British army has been what? Killed, massacred. Understood? And और इस समय यहाँ पर ध्यान रखिएगा, ब्रैथवेट एक नाम बोला था, हैदर अली was keep on doing fight with at the what with the ब्रैथवेट, यहाँ पे वार चल रहा है. Understood? अब ये this was the greatest loss for the British Empire, and British Empire was sacked, and उन्होंने क्या भेजा? Ayerkut, and then Ayerkut came from the Bengal, and then यहाँ से मुनरो को रिप्लेस किया गया था. It is under the Madras presidency was under the Munro, and then it has been replaced, and Ayerkut come directly at Kuddalore, Porto Novo, and then Hyder Ali defeated. Second, it is the Pollilur, again it was defeated, but it is not soon defeated. Defeated का मतलब British, that British is able to enter into, but for their safety Hyder Ali has gone back. But in between in 82 Hyder Ali has been died, and then in 84, till 84, this war keeps on happening by Tipu Sultan. No, I said that winning position for anyone, but finally, then the Ayerkut decided there should be a what? Treaty. And which treaty took place? Treaty of Mangalore. And through the Treaty of Mangalore means restitution. Treaty of, again जो जीता गया है वो वापस किया जाए. Restitution means status quo. I said that whatever the region which has been won, it has to be what? Returned back. Chalo. Or prisoners should be also returned back. Understood it? Lekin he realized, Tipu Sultan, the son of Hyder Ali, he was knowing that he is not in a good. He was highly hostile, or he did not return back anything. कुछ नहीं भी रिटर्न किया. इवन द प्रिजनर्स आर इन देयर जेल. अंडरस्टूड? और इस ट्रीटी में एक और चीज होता था कि आप किसी के साथ दोस्ती नहीं करोगे. अरे यार, तुमने पहले भी तो मेरे साथ दोस्ती किया था ट्रीटी ऑफ मद्रास में. यू विल नॉट मेक अलायंस विद एनीवन. अब यहां पर क्या हुआ? व्हाट आर द फर्स्ट थिंग? प्रिजनर्स टू बी रिटर्न, एंड देन द वॉन रीजन शुड बी ऑल्सो रिटर्न. अनदर, यू विल नॉट मेक अलायंस विद द नेबरिंग. इसके बाद ये खत्म हुआ, क्योंकि दोनों हैज both of them has put, लेकिन both of them did not follow this treaty of Mangalore. इसने prisoner नहीं लौटाए, and the land has not been also returned, and he has also did not accepted the that I not make alliance. अब यहाँ पर ध्यान रखिएगा 90 से 92 I am coming. 90 से लेकर 92 third Anglo-Mysore war, and then already Mr. who Tipu Sultan was highly hostile against Britishers. Understood? ये एक situation था. अब Cornwallis has come. From 1785 or 86 to 93, I said that who is there? Cornwallis, who has given permanent land settlement, or it is known as also Jamindari system. Understood? And I said that, ध्यान से देखेंगे, I said next one. I said that in between, in 1790, what happened? Travancore. अभी हम लोग we have seen Maratha, Nizam and all. Now going towards Kerala, Travancore. And this region is Kochi. This region I am saying, talking about Kochi. And Kochi was under the Dutch. Kochi was under the Dutch. याद रहेगा? Kochi was under the Dutch. And the Dutch were paying tribute to Mysore. याद हो गया? I said that this region is Travancore. And then in this, within the Travancore, one region is Kochi, which was under the Dutch, but it was confiscated by whom? Mysore. Therefore, Dutch were paying tribute to Mysore. In between, क्या हुआ? Travancore ruler Dhamraja, which I said that he has purchased 2 forts at Kochi. तो मेरे ट्रिब्यूट के अंदर में आता है. Mysore said that it comes under my tribute. How can you purchase? And उसने 2 forts Dutch से purchase कर लिया. He purchased 2 forts, and then he has also fortification. And then because of this, Tipu Sultan was not happy, and Tipu Sultan attacked at what? Tipu Sultan attacked what? Travancore. And Travancore was friend of Britishers. Travancore was having alliance with the friend. What is the Britishers? So अब किसके साथ war start हो गया? Yes. So third Anglo-Mysore war started. I said that Travancore was the friend of what is an alliance with what is the Britishers. Therefore, the Britishers to start supporting Travancore. Or this time war was like anything. This time, when the Aurangzeb कभी लड़ने के लिए जाता था, तो thousands of elephants and thousands of, I said that army, it goes like this. अपने आप पीछे हट जाते थे लोग. This kind of war the Aurangzeb used to do. Similarly, Cornwallis did. Understood? और Cornwallis ने simple बोला निजाम and Maratha को. He made an alliance. Do not support Mysore. Do not support. पहले वाले में Mysore ने बोला था do not support. Here, who said? Who said? Yes, Cornwallis. And Cornwallis said that do not support, and then he moved towards, and then he is able to defeat. He is able to defeat Mysore. और इस बात से यहाँ की जो आगे कहानी होगी मेरा already, that is you know that रोम खड़ा हो जाता है. He was defeated. He was defeated. Half of the region has been confiscated. Or is defeat. After this defeat, Treaty of Srirangpatnam took place. Treaty of, which I said that, tell me fast. Treaty of Srirangpatnam took place, and it has been said that half of the Mysore Empire who has been confiscated, it has been divided equally between Nizam, Maratha and Britishers. क्योंकि निजाम को मराठा को पहले ही बोल रखा था गए. So equally distributed first, and war indemnity कितना मांगा गया? 3.3 crore. How much it has been demanded? 3.3 crore. And इसके लिए बोला गया कि if you are not going to pay this war indemnity, then your 2 sons will be kept hostage. Understood? और साथ में यहाँ पे कुर्ग रीजन है, कुर्ग, it has been also made independent. What are the 4 things in the Treaty of Srirangpatnam? First, I said that half region has been confiscated, and it has been divided between, equally divided between whom? Maratha, Nizam and Britishers. Thereafter, for the war indemnity, how much it has been paid? 3.3 crore. And it has been said that if you are not paying 3.3 crore, then your two son will be till and hostage. ये किसी बाप के लिए आपको ये छोटी सी बात होती है क्या? किसी के बाप के बच्चे को आप, इट इज नॉट ऐसे. एंड ये लाइन जब मैं बताता हूं तो इस लाइन को आपको पढ़कर सुनाता हूं. I said that two sons were taken as an hostages. That this war eventually crippled the great Sultan, who once thought of making India free from the British. ये लाइन लिखा रहेगा and justify this statement. I said that this war, this third Anglo-Mysore war, eventually crippled the great Sultan, who once thought of making India free from the British. Free from the British. Understood? Justify this statement. No one has. Even in 1857 revolt, even 1857 revolt, no one has taken this kind of pain and this kind of effort against the Britishers. No one has. I said that he fulfilled the condition of the treaty, but ever afterwards he burnt in the fire of revenge against the Britishers. Understood? सोचो कि आपके सन को एंड ऑल, तो दैट इज, एंड आप सोचोगे कि ये कैसा बंदा था. ही वाज हाईली एजुकेटेड, हाईली इन द लाइब्रेरी, साइंस एंड ऑल, सो मेनी लैंग्वेज बुक्स, इट इज फुल ऑफ. एंड इन द डिंडीगुल, जस्ट तमिलनाडु में जो रीजन था डिंडीगुल, आर्म्स एंड एमिनेशन, he has his own way of rocket. He has made his own rocket system in the war that he is utilized, even with the small army, and therefore he is able to defeat. Understood? So this kind of portion, Mr. Who? Tipu Sultan. Understood it? And I said that, then fourth Anglo-Mysore war. समझ में आ गया? Third Anglo-Mysore war finished with what? Understood? Then I said that fourth Anglo-Mysore war. तो ये दिख रहा है, some of the reason has been taken here, सब बांट ले रहे हैं. And this is, I said that, Travancore. So, half of the territories that you have seen, I said. अब यहां पे देखा जाएगा फोर्थ एंग्लो-मैसूर वॉर, 1799. Understood? And if you see in the world map, if you see, already in France, you know that 1789, I said that war has been, French Revolution was going on, and in 1799, यहाँ पे Jacobians are there, and Jacobians has been replaced by Napoleon, and Napoleon comes after from the 1799, and then Jacobians were ready to send his army, and then यहाँ पे army fight करके Red Sea के through आने वाली थी. French army is about to come from there, but in the Egypt, the war has been taken place between British and French, and then Nelson, who was the portion British, Nelson stopped the French army in Egypt, and then it is not able to go to the what? This of India, and then who was giving the support? Jacobians. Who? One of the group is there, Jacobians, and thereafter I said that these Jacobians are not able to reach. But in between, I said that from all the side, and 50,000 army, Wellesley, of 1799. So, मेरे साथ, I said that 1773 to 1785 Warren Hastings, and 1786 to 1793, it is, I said that Cornwallis, or Cornwallis को who has supported to make permanent land settlement? Sir John Shore, who has supported. And इसके बाद Sir John Shore become the what? Governor General of Bengal, and that's from the 1793 to 1799, and 1799 to 1805 Wellesley. And this time in the 1799, I have said that who was the ruler? Sorry, who was the Governor General of Bengal? Wellesley. And then Wellesley has what very smart guy who has given subsidiary alliance. From all the three sides, he started confiscated and 50,000 army. And one of the commander, Mir Sadiq, usko bout kar liya, and he is able to enter into the what? I said that Mysore Empire, and then war has been taken place between them, 50,000 one side army and 30,000 another side army. And through the trick, some kind of, I said that this side will be that Tipu Sultan, and easily able to get the sword and killed Tipu Sultan. And when the ruler died, I said that war finished. And the ruler has been died, that Tipu Sultan. So I said that this is the way we have been able to see कि हमने देखा कि Richard Wellesley had the new British commander, the British-led coalition of nearly 50,000 troops, and British pressed closer and closer to the Mysorean capital, and Tipu Sultan had just 30,000 defenders. And on the May 4th, the British broke through the city walls with the help of Mir Sadiq, and then he was close suited by the Britishers to the Tipu Sultan. Understood it? So we have been able to see Anglo-Mysore war. So I am going to recap all, and you should understand. And then I said that how do the different war has been taken place, or kaise ye Mysore has been what? Become smaller. Mysore become very, and it has been given to whom? Wadiyar. And then Wadiyar, this Mysore come under the subsidiary alliance. And slowly, subsidiary alliance, you know that they will confiscate it. Clear? So, first point I said that हमने क्या कहा था? First point, if I have discussed with you that 16th century, 1565, Vijayanagar Empire has been, I said that